HTC Desire 8020, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, then choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. So right now you can use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as bootloader mode pops up. Here let's scroll down to choose the Fastboot. The Fastboot is the first option. Press power key to confirm it. And as you can see, this is the Fastboot mode of this device. So here you can use your device with the Fastboot mode. You can also read a couple of useful information. Here you can also reboot to Fastboot if you would like to, or if you would like to quit this mode, you can choose power down or you can choose reboot. Let me choose reboot, press power key to confirm it, and the device is booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Let's unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.